Okay, this is so easy, I can't believe they bother listing it as a sub-objective. To connect to a wireless network, open up your charms bar. You can swipe in from the right or hold down the Windows key and press C. Go to Settings, then click the network icon here. It's the one in the upper left corner. It's going to show different things depending on your current connections. You'll then see a list of available wireless networks. Click whichever one you want to connect to. Now, there's a checkbox here for connect automatically, which does exactly what you think it does. If it's a network you're just connecting to one time, you'd want to clear that. If you're connecting to a coffee shop network and it's near your office and you want to make sure you don't automatically connect to it, clear that. If it's something that you will connect regularly to, go ahead and leave that in so you don't have to select it all the time. Now, after you click connect, you'll be prompted for your network security key, so type it here. Now, in personal environments and small businesses, you typically use wireless security where you have to type in a password every time. In enterprises, they'll use an automated security mechanism that authenticates either the user or computer automatically using the same credentials, sort of a single sign-on system. You'll learn about that in a different lesson. Now, here you're prompted to either turn on sharing or turn it off. This is a really important question. It's something that people gloss over too quickly. Windows 8 and indeed earlier versions of Windows supports 3 different network profiles: private, public, and domain. Domain networks are the networks that are available anytime your computer is part of a domain and it can communicate to the domain controller. That's how Windows 8 determines that it's connected to your own internal network. Private networks are your home or a small office where there isn't a domain. Sometimes they're called work or home networks, as you see here. Finally, public networks are hotspots, coffee shops, airports, your friend's house, any place where you don't inherently trust every device that might be on the network, including the router. If there's something you don't trust about that network, if you think somebody you don't like might connect to that network from the parking lot, if it's not, it's protected by a password, you need to select public. That's the only way to keep your computer safe. You should only select this option to turn on sharing and connect to devices if you feel good about the network, if you're pretty sure there's not a bad guy connecting there. And that includes like your neighbor. Make sure that a network is password protected before you choose home or work networks.